our Narwhal vacuum before I left so I could get our floors clean and mopped. Ooh, where's she going? We named her Pam, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna do a few chores here in a second, but before I get started with today's video, I wanted to let you know it's sponsored by Narwhal. It is seriously my new best friend. It's actually going in the background. You can barely hear it because it's so quiet. Narwhal is the world's first self-cleaning mop and vacuum. It's the best 2-in-1 robot on the market with a self-cleaning technology. I was so excited to get my hands on a Narwhal because Time Magazine actually named Narwhal as one of the best inventions of 2020. So like I said, the Narwhal is a mop and vacuum. It's a 2-in-1. We have dark floors, and so whenever dust collects, it's very easy to see. So I've been loving the Narwhal for that reason, because I feel like I never have dust on my floors anymore. Hey, it just stopped midway telling me to replace the dustbin. It is completely full. Oh my gosh. It's getting underneath all of my couches and underneath my chairs, and the amount of dust that's been picked up by this in just a short period of time is honestly really embarrassing. Let's just say Narwhal is my new best friend. So everything is controlled by an app with your Narwhal. When you first get it in, you're gonna do a mapping, which is going to basically put in a layout of your house. I have mine set to the quick mode right now just to do my main areas. You can actually have it scheduled to begin vacuuming and mopping certain times of the day. So I have mine on a schedule, so every day it's gonna automatically start vacuuming. The Narwhal sweeps well with strong 1800 PA suction, and it has fast rotations that are pressed to the floor to clean stubborn stains easily. So when your Narwhal is done vacuuming your floors, next you're gonna wanna set it to the mop mode. You're just going to switch out your mop pads.
Switch to mopping mode.
The Narwhal has a self-cleaning technology, which means it's a hands-free way to clean the mop pads. The Narwhal actually goes back to its base station to clean the mop heads to make sure it isn't tracking dirty water throughout the house. In the base station of the Narwhal, there's two separate water bins. There's the blue one, which you fill up with clean water, and then there is the dirty water bin, which is where all of the dirty water is gonna go. Anyways, Narwhal has been my new best friend in my house. It's helped keep my floors cleaned, and I love the fact that it also mops with a dog and a child who loves to play outside. It's seriously been a game changer in my cleaning routine and just made things so much easier. So